Natural home remedies, DIY solutions for common ailments. Are you tired of rushing to the pharmacy for every little sniffle or headache? Imagine stepping into your kitchen and finding natural solutions for many of these common ailments. Nature has already given us the tools. We just need to learn how to use them. With the right ingredients and a DIY spirit, you can address minor health concerns in simple, effective, and eco-friendly ways. In today's video, we'll explore several natural remedies, demonstrate how to make them, and provide tips to maximize their benefits. Natural remedies offer a safe, budget-friendly alternative to over-the-counter medications for treating minor ailments. They're not only easy to make, but are also free of unnecessary chemicals, making them ideal for eco-conscious households. Many remedies also repurpose common kitchen ingredients, cutting down on waste while promoting a natural, sustainable lifestyle. That said, it's important to remember that natural doesn't always mean risk-free. For serious health issues or persistent symptoms, it's always wise to consult a medical professional. Our remedies are meant for minor conditions and occasional use, so always use them responsibly. Few things are as aggravating as a scratchy or painful throat. One of the best natural solutions is a warm cup of honey ginger tea with lemon. 1 tablespoon of honey, preferably raw and organic. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Juice of half a lemon. 1 cup of warm water. Heat the water until warm but not boiling. Add the grated ginger and let it steep for 3-5 minutes. Stir in the honey and lemon juice until fully dissolved. Sip slowly, allowing the warm tea to coat your throat. Why it works. Honey is a natural antibacterial and helps soothe irritation. Ginger reduces inflammation, while lemon provides a boost of vitamin C for your immune system. This tea is your go-to remedy for a scratchy throat brought on by colds or seasonal allergies. Stress and tension often lead to throbbing headaches. With just a drop of lavender or peppermint oil, you can find relief naturally. A soft cloth or cotton pad. 2. 3 drops of lavender or peppermint essential oil. A bowl of cool water. Add the essential oil to the bowl of water and mix. Soak the cloth in the oil-infused water and wring out the excess. Place the cloth on your forehead or the back of your neck. Close your eyes and rest for 10-15 minutes. Why it works. Lavender promotes relaxation by calming the nervous system, and peppermint's cooling properties alleviate tension. Together, they're a powerful combo for head pain, particularly tension headaches. From dry patches to minor rashes, natural ingredients like aloe vera and turmeric can soothe and heal your skin. 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, or store-bought if fresh isn't available. 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Scoop fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf or use store-bought gel. Make sure it's pure and free of additives. Mix the gel with turmeric until it forms a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the affected area for 10-15 minutes. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Why it works. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes inflamed skin, while turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities can reduce redness and irritation. Overeating or eating rich meals can leave you feeling bloated and uncomfortable. A simple cup of fennel seed tea can help. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1 cup of boiling water. Optional, a pinch of honey for sweetness. Add fennel seeds to a cup of boiling water. Let them steep for 5-7 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug and add honey if desired. Drink slowly after meals for optimal results. Why it works. Fennel seeds have natural digestive properties, helping to reduce bloating, gas, and cramping. Congestion caused by colds can be frustrating, but steam therapy with eucalyptus oil offers immediate relief. 4 cups of boiling water. 2. 3 drops of eucalyptus, essential oil. A towel. Pour the boiling water into a heat-safe bowl. Add the eucalyptus oil to the water while it's still hot. Place your face a safe distance above the bowl and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for 5-7 minutes. Why it works. Eucalyptus oil helps to clear blocked sinuses and airways with its natural decongestant properties. The warm steam also loosens mucus and soothes nasal passages. Minor cuts and scrapes don't necessarily need synthetic ointments. Honey, with its antiseptic properties, works wonders here. Clean water and gauze. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Clean the cut or wound thoroughly with water. Pat it dry gently using a clean cloth or tissue. Apply a thin layer of honey directly to the affected area. Cover the wound with gauze or a bandage. Why it works. Raw honey kills bacteria, speeds up wound healing, and keeps the area moist to avoid scab formation. Many of the remedies mentioned can be prepared in small batches and stored for future use. Here are a few storage and sustainability tips to enhance your experience. Use airtight jars or bottles to maintain the potency of teas, compresses, and balms. Label your remedies with the preparation date for easy tracking. Compost ginger peel, lemon rinds, and other organic leftovers to reduce waste. For ongoing use, consider growing herbs like lavender, mint, or aloe at home to ensure a constant supply and reduce reliance on store-bought ingredients. By embracing natural home remedies, you're not only investing in your health, but also making conscious decisions to live more sustainably. These simple solutions empower you to handle minor ailments with confidence, saving you time, money, and exposure to unnecessary chemicals. Here's a summary of the remedies covered today. Sore throats, honey ginger tea with lemon. Headaches, lavender or peppermint oil compress. Skin irritations, aloe vera and turmeric paste. Indigestion, fennel seed tea. Congestion from colds, eucalyptus steam therapy. Minor wounds, honey as a natural antiseptic. Each of these DIY solutions is simple to prepare, using mostly items you already have in your home. We hope this guide inspires you to explore the healing power of nature and empowers you to create a wellness toolbox stocked with these remedies. Remember, self-care doesn't have to be costly or complicated. It's about using the resources we have in a mindful and creative way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home remedy guides and DIY tips. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these remedies or if you have a favorite natural solution of your own. Let's build a healthier, greener world together.